If you are unable to access your Chase Bank account and do not have verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Chase Bank website. Go to the official Chase Bank website. Look for the sign-in option and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username/Password. On the login page, find the link that says Forgot Username/Password. Click on this link to initiate the account recovery process. This will guide you to the next steps for recovering your account. Step 3. Provide your information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your social security number, account number, or other identifying details. Fill in the required fields accurately to verify your identity. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you do not have access to verification codes, look for alternative recovery options. This may include answering security questions or receiving a phone call at a registered number. Select the option that works best for you. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. After selecting your recovery option, follow the instructions provided by Chase. This may involve resetting your password or updating your account settings. Make sure to create a strong password that you can remember. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider contacting Chase Bank customer service for further assistance. They can provide additional help to regain access to your account.